My name is Steve Brooks. I'm the plant manager here at Freightliner Custom Chassis in Gaffney, South Carolina. Behind me you see the S2G. It's the only factory-installed propane system in America, and it's proudly built here in South Carolina.
I work at Freightliner Custom Chassis in Gaffney, South Carolina, team leader for line 1. Behind me here is the propane tank that is put in the S2Gs. It's factory built here at our plant. We have great teams here and very proud to be building the S2Gs at our plant in Gaffney.
We're excited about this S2G truck. This engine was purpose-built to operate on propane. So all of the control strategies were designed from the ground up to be operated on propane. This truck combines the most modern advances in electronics and the controller design along with a liquid-injected system. It's just a fundamentally different and improved system from the vapor systems of the earlier 80s and 90s. And we're proud that this engine and that fueling system is inside a Freightliner chassis.